Alright, so as we are approaching the August 5 Galaxy Unpacked event, more information is being revealed about the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yes guys, we have the detailed official Galaxy Z Fold 2 marketing renders that show the handset from all angles. Unlike the original Galaxy Fold, the Fold 2 looks like a proper 2020 handset with a punch-hole camera system both on the outer and inner display. The Galaxy Fold brought one of the most significant design changes to the mobile market in years, thanks largely to its foldable form factor. Something really nailed the design of the Galaxy Fold. There is obviously considerable room for improvement, but for a first generation foldable phone, it is magical. In fact, if you talk to almost anyone who has seriously used one, they will likely tell you a variation of the same thing. They absolutely love the device and simply cannot get rid of it. I think this effect will be the same for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 as well, which is seeing much substantial improvement over the first generation of foldable phones, such as a bigger display, no notch, and most importantly a 120Hz LTPO display. Anyway, do let me know what you think about it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for the daily content like this. I will see you guys in the next ones. Peace out.